Hi, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Starting aft, you'll notice we have twin white Mercury 300s, which are the new V8s, 10-foot white power pole, a nice aft seat here. When you are fishing, want to get it out of your way, folds up nicely. Live well or cooler built in on the port side. Have an additional live well that was ordered with this seat. And one of my favorite features, the swim patio off to the port side. You also have a sure shade here with the push of a button. You can shade the back of the boat. Ski pylon tucked away here. Moving towards the helm seat and helm area, you'll notice you've got a big 16-inch Simrad screen. So you can split this, do fish finder, chart plotter, joystick control, which has autopilot and skyhook built in, trim tabs, Simrad VHF, JL audio, full glass windshield here at the helm with an opening for push button for a little breeze in your face when you're running the boat. Moving forward, you have a great setup in the bow area. Big lounge seat with tons of storage underneath, as well as pop-up seats forward. This boat is also equipped with a sunshade for the bow area. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name's Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and we can be reached at 910-256-8100.